Navigate to the Object menu and select your column or beam. Click on the column object to access its Properties toolbox. Browse the BIM object library to select your desired profile. You can choose the profile in asbim.library for standard options. Alternatively, find profiles in your project catalog, current or open projects. Set the length for the column section at the node point. Select appropriate structural materials from the project library. Repeat this process for all profiles connecting at the node. You can copy profile properties to multiple elements.